So in this video, I want to talk about the serving sizes of a common snack, at least common in our household, which is just a spoonful of peanut butter and a glass of milk. Assuming you can have both of these items, I don't know that there's anything much better than just having them together. But one of the problems though is that unless you know that you're getting the right serving, then you can easily overeat either one of these since they're so high in fat. So what I want to do is give you an example. I've got my scale here. I've accounted for the weight of a spoon without any peanut butter, so I know how much it weighs. And then I kind of just took a big scoop, which is something that we would typically do, where you just, here, this is 2 tablespoons, and I weighed it, and then, just pour yourself a glass of milk as well. And again, this is something that we used to be very guilty of. So you kind of look at this and you say, I've got a glass of milk and then a serving of peanut butter, so I'll have my snack here. But what you don't realize until you actually weigh these out is, like, this spoonful of peanut butter, when I weighed it out, was twice the serving size of 33 grams. So a serving of peanut butter is about 190 calories. We'll call it 200 to make the math easier. So I mean, this is 380 or almost 400 calories just right here on this spoon. Which is kind of not really a snack anymore. And then also, you pour yourself a glass of milk without really thinking about it. You have a glass, so that must be a serving, right? Well, a serving of milk is a cup. So I'm going to try and do this without spilling, but I measured out a cup. So this is what an actual serving is compared to what most people are probably just doing what we used to do. And a serving of milk is 150 calories. So assuming we just took this big scoop of peanut butter and this giant glass of milk, we're doubling the serving size of each of those, so that this snack is all of a sudden 700 calories, which is now a meal and not a snack. So when you do that every day, that's obviously you're going to be way over your calorie limit, assuming you're not accounting for that many. So no, just something to be aware of. Again, I'm not a big advocate that says you always have to measure out your food or weigh everything, but it's at least important to be aware of how much a serving size should look like as far as how many grams or how many cups. So hopefully that was helpful. And if you're like us, my wife and I, and eat peanut butter and milk every day, hopefully you at least get the right serving sizes.